Hey, it's Mike from Defense Strategies Group, and today we are doing the Shooter's Ice Bucket Challenge. We're going to have our hands in the ice bucket for 5 minutes, come out, hopefully they'll be nice and numb, and then we're gonna assemble our Glock pistol, and at 10 yards, assemble, chamber around, and take a shot. And we're doing it for time. We're gonna see who has the fastest time overall. All right, so here we go. Hit the start time, 5 minutes. Oh! Up to the elbows. That is pretty shitty. All right, so we're gonna sit here for 5 minutes. Let the hands marinate, and then watch what that does to our dexterity. Oh, fuck, man. This is awesome. This is cold. Whew. All right, so the alarm just went off. I'm gonna pull the hands out. It's been 5 minutes. Here we go. Press the buzzer and, oh, fuck. Go in the hole. Hit and scan. Woo! See the time. 21:17. All right, that's my time. 21:17. Full integrity. Let's see how you do.